Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to enable search history on YouTube. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable or turn on search history on YouTube, go to your browser and browse youtube.com. On upper left corner, click on menu icon and then you will find here history. Click on history. In right side you will find a gear icon, manage all history. Click on manage all history and here by default history tab is selected, and here you will find an option not saving your YouTube history. Click on not saving your YouTube history, and here look, the history saving is turned off, and you will find a button turn on. Click on turn on YouTube history. Just click on turn on again, and look, setting is on, saving your YouTube history. Click on got it, and look here, the YouTube history saving is turned on right now. This is the easiest way to enable YouTube history on Google Chrome. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.